Okay, so to wrap up your DAX experience, I wanted to talk about where you should go to learn more information. These are 5 resources, and the links will be in the video that I think will help you continue your DAX journey. My friend Matt Allington, who's a phenomenal Power BI consultant and Excel consultant, he's in Australia. He wrote a book called Learn to Write DAX, and this is the link that'll be down below if you want to buy this book and look at it. Support Matt. Matt's a great guy. If you ever get a chance to hear Matt speak, you'll really enjoy it. These two guys are called the Italians by the DAX community because they're considered the world's leading experts on DAX. It's Alberto Ferrari and Marco Russo, very nice guys. They wrote this book, The Definitive Guide to DAX. They also did actually 3 other things that I'm about to show you. The Italians made DAX Formatter. If you go to daxformatter.com and you have DAX that looks ugly, you can paste it here and then click format and it will format it for you and make it a little prettier for you. It'll also give you HTML if you wanted to create a blog post so that the DAX looked like this. The Italians also made DAX Guide. They wrote their own documentation for DAX. They were very humble about it too. When they were asked why they put all this effort into writing documentation and then releasing it for free, their answer was not because we're the smartest guys in the world. Their answer was, it's because we wanted documentation so that we could remember what things were and how they should be written. Very humble, really nice guys that they did that. They also wrote a free tool called DAX Studio, which you can download off of GitHub, and it will let you experiment with DAX outside of Power BI and Excel, and will give you kind of a lot of query editing tools that are very, very useful. So those 5 resources should get you going on your DAX journey. I wish you all the best. Please use the comment section if you have any questions, and hopefully stay in touch. Thanks. Have a great day.
And finally, this is how you can get a hold of me if you need to. There's my Twitter and my email address, and of course my YouTube channel if you want to subscribe and get more videos on DAX and Power Apps and data engineering and cloud data and other things that interest me. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Have a great day.